They fear you because you are young. They fear you because you are the future.
It all simple. I say what I like. Steve Biko wrote what he like. I am Skill Como. I will say whatever I like. On social media, I've seen people criticizing DJ Sbu for what he has done. He went to the highway to advertise his energy drink, More Fire. According to the law of South Africa, that is not allowed. But again, if you play by the rules, will the universe reward you? Hell no. The universe doesn't reward people who play by the rules. Therefore, it's a call to do whatever it takes to get your hands dirty for the ultimate prize. If you can't afford to advertise on billboards, why not? Just go on the street. Advertise your product, advertise your service. Do whatever it takes to get to the top. For that, I will forever salute DJ Sbu, billionaire under construction.